Hey guys, welcome to Motorride Food and Travel. Hope you are doing good, staying safe and healthy at home. Now this video is all about my solo trip which I did way back in 2015. I did in my Royal Enfield Standard350. This was a 5 days ka trip, again pure south side mein. Down south you have the Chennai to Meghamalai, Meghamalai to Thandikudi, Thandikudi to Palani and Palani to Chennai. 2015 it was just before wo Chennai ka floods वगैरह हुआ था. So you know, this were the times when I actually did this ride. And 2015, those days I really didn't had any moto vlog accessories, no GoPro mic वगैरह नहीं था. All I had was this Sony action cam and the mobile which I was using it. So सारे recordings, videos के trips के वगैरह सब इसी से हुआ था for the whole 5 days. Now the problem what I faced after the trip was मोबाइल में जो भी रिकॉर्डिंग किया था मैंने वीडियोस और फोटोज़, सम ऑफ दी फोटोज़ आई एक्चुअली ट्रांसफर्ड इन माय लैपटॉप और हार्ड ड्राइव बैकअप के लिए, बट काफ़ी सारे वीडियोस एंड फोटोज़ वगैरह सब मोबाइल में रह गया था. एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली मोबाइल चोरी हो गया एंड ऑल द डेटास, ऑल दोज मेमोरीज सब पटाख ख़त्म गया वहीं पर. सो आई हैड अ बिट ऑफ वीडियोज़ एंड थोड़े बहुत फोटोज़, एंड इसमें भी यू हैव दैट ऑप्शन टू टेक अ पिक्स एज वेल. सो जो भी था मेरे पास, आई जस्ट combined it all and made a quick vlog. I hope that you guys would really like it. I would ask you to see this vlog till end. There are many other things that I would like to share you at the end of the video, and this ride is very close to my heart. I'll let you know at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Okay, so this was day 1, Chennai to Theni. You can't really drive all the way from Chennai to Meghamalai in day 1 itself, because Meghamalai it's like kind of ghat वगैरह सब आता है. तो by the time you reach Meghamalai का entry point वगैरह, let's say it's already dark, so it's very risky. So it's better that you stay back somewhere near to Meghamalai, and the nearest one is Theni. The climate was very pleasant, drizzling tha, it wasn't raining heavily, a perfect weather to have a good ride. कुछ 5 बजे के आसपास I reached Theni. A good friend of mine, his native was Theni. So he managed to arrange a room, मतलब ओयो का टाइप्स का कुछ रूम था. So day 1 ended in Theni. Day 2 that was like from Theni to Meghamalai, and I think I actually started my journey at around 6 or 7 a.m. Early morning. This is the kind of the entry point of Meghamalai. Meghamalai is like pure mountains, and it has like the tea gardens ka वगैरह thinking. The climate is like absolute pleasant. I managed to put a selfie stick and get a pic of mine. ये थोड़ा वो टाइम पास वहाँ पर. The worrying part was the roads in Meghamalai, and I was very much afraid कि यार यहाँ पर कुछ पंचर विंचर ना हो, like if it happens then I'm like nowhere to go. I got a room in Meghamalai. At the end of the video you would understand like how I got this. पूरा पसारा हो गया था वहाँ पर. फिर इवनिंग के टाइम से मैं just kind of wandered around near Meghamalai. पूरा tea gardens, it's like इतना calm, इतना climate was very pleasant, and this was my view from the room. Day 2 ends there, and day 3 starts Meghamalai to Thandikudi. So on my way to Thandikudi, I saw a Meghamalai ka dam. I don't know which dam it is, but I don't remember the name exactly. I feel like when I was like declining down from the mountain, I saw this beautiful couples. इनका बस एक छोटा सा चाय का वगैरह कुछ स्नैक्स काइंड ऑफ दुकान था. They were very sweet. So Meghamalai to Thandikudi road, it was like absolute pleasant, adventurous भी था. बहुत सारे घाट सेक्शंस भी मिले मुझे, एंड अगेन लाइक आई सेड इट वाज डिजलिंग, एंड हर आजू बाजू लाइक एवरी कॉर्नर्स यू कैन सी दैट ग्रीनरी. And this is the entry of for Thandikudi. This is a quick pic of how my bullet looked like. So Thandikudi maybe I got a room, but unfortunately I didn't have that room ka pics वगैरह. इवनिंग फ्रेश होने के बाद आई बस ऐसे टहल रहा था आजू बाजू एंड आई सॉ दिस विष्णु का टेम्पल इट वॉज लाइक सिचुएटेड इन माउंटेन टॉप. बहुत सारे पिकॉक्स भी थे यहाँ पर टेम्पल में. इट वॉज सच अ वेरी गुड लोकेशन आई वुड से. एंड ऑन माई वे बैक वहाँ पर थोड़ा बहुत टाइम स्पेंड किया एंड व्हेन आई वॉज कमिंग बैक टू माई रूम आई सॉ दिस coffee research station. Not sure like what kind of research that they do it. And so that was at day 3 of Thandikudi ends. And you know what, if you want a peace of mind and really connect to nature, this is one of the best place. And again, you know, there were more of a guard roads and all, and a good way for the motorites to have some adventurous trips. Day 4, Thandikudi to Palani.
Thandikudi via Malai Road, which is something a kind of guard road actually, and it is 14 kilometers from here. Since morning it is drizzling actually. Alright, so there are certain rules for me. Rule 1, I should drive slowly. Should be just 20 or maximum of 30 kilometers per hour. Slow brakes to be applied. You know, I'm sure that should be, you know, it's rains and it would be pretty slippery. Rule number 2, if there is any mudslide, make sure that you cross that very safely. Rule number 3, at any point of time, if my action cam's battery drains, I should not halt and connect the power bank. So that is 3. 4, if I see any wild elephants, halt, be calm, and probably, you know, I'll search or I'll be there at back of heavy vehicles so that, you know, I can find help throughout the road. What was that? Rule number 4 or 3? Whatever it is. My last rule is obey all the above rules. Alright then, and there you go. Guys, so I'm actually somewhere near to Kodaikanal. Hello, finally we made it. Now it's 10 kilometers from here for Palani temple. That was an awesome ride. So my next move would be searching for an hotel, and I should start to temple by 2 o'clock so that, you know, tomorrow I start early for Chennai.
How was that? You can still pause and rewind and see the clips again. That was such a pleasant and a wonderful ride. Day 4 ended in Palani. I got a room, darshan वगैरह and all सब अच्छा खासा हो गया. Day 5 started from Palani to Chennai.
Guys, good morning. Time here is 5:02. Just started from Palani. You can see the temple top, some lights probably, and goodbye to Palani for now. We're on our way to Chennai via Dindangal and Tiruchi. It's been 1.5 hours since we left Palani. So this is Tiruchi. Chennai from here is 416. Tiruchi is 93. Okay. 6:34. We'll see what time. I just left Tiruchi. I'm not sure my watch shows 24 degrees Celsius, so it's actually cool. Wow. is 9:33 and we are 253 kilometers to reach Chennai.
Okay guys, welcome back. I really hope that you would have loved this video or at least liked it. अगर नहीं पसंद है तो यार बिंदास कमेंट सेक्शन में डाल देना. Be honest in the comment section. I'll try my best to merge it या फिर editing वगैरह का थोड़ा अच्छा खासा कर लो. Okay, now coming back is why this ride is really close to my heart is because this was my very first ride, solo ride. For 5 days and the bullet and the bike which I had was 350 standard wherein I did invested कुछ investment हुआ ही नहीं था ट्रिप का जैसा रेडी करने के लिए. So all I had was just एकदम stock, सब कुछ stock था उसमें. In fact battery was like 10 amp. अभी तो मैंने 14 amp में change किया था, but initially I had just 10 amp and 5 days of trip with that bike. कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं, नॉट इवन अ सिंगल प्रॉब्लम दैट आई फेस्ड. ओल्ड मॉडल्स में ज़्यादा ठंड के टाइम या फिर मानसून सीजन में यू हैव दैट स्टार्ट नहीं होता है, बैटरी ड्रेन हो जाता है, you don't have this self start also. So इतना लकी हूँ, आई एम लाइक वेरी फॉर्चुनेट इनफ that I didn't face a single problem with that bike during that whole trip. I'm not sure, maybe I was very much lucky enough that I got an accommodation instantly in every locations because plan तो अच्छा खासा किया था where I need to go, कब जाना है, कौन सा दिन, which places and locations and stuffs, but I didn't book any hotels. And the other reason is Meghamalai, Thandikudi में you don't get hotels at all. It's something that a guest house or a government guest house, that is all you get it. So on the second day when I was like moving from Theni to Meghamalai, one of my colleague who was in Chennai, he called up to his colleague who was a kind of government के sector में थे वो, and they were very sweet enough to book me a room. Government का क्या बोलते उसको, cottage या फिर guest house, best name guest house, and it was very reasonable. 250 या फिर 200 के आसपास में मेरा खाना स्टे वगैरह सब हो गया था and the room was very good. Thandikudi में तो it was like it's still unbelievable. जब मेघमलई से तांडीकुटी जा रहा था मैं घाट सेक्शन में, I got an LIC agent fellow. His name is Vishnu. I still remember, but again मोबाइल चोरी होने की वजह से I didn't thank him yet. तो I took a quick halt जब वो घाट सेक्शन में जा रहा था, and he was like kind of following me, like who is this with all that helmet में camera and knee guards and stuff. So when I did a quick halt, he spoke to me like, where are you from, what are you doing, what's your intention to coming for a ride, this that and all, and it was very friendly enough. And again मेरा तो एक ही था कि तांडीकुड़ी में जाके देखते हैं, रूम मिला तो मिला, नहीं तो मतलब कुछ ना कुछ मैनेज कर लेंगे, इस हिसाब से गया था. And fortunate enough I got this chap, and he called some of his close colleagues back in Thandikudi, and he managed to get me a guest house. So it's like very close to my heart, and I cannot ever forget about this. Only thing it hurts is कि बहुत सारे memories थे वो मोबाइल में. अच्छा होता कि if someone wouldn't have stolen that mobile, and it was like a Samsung Note 4 Edge. My brother got it from Dubai for me, but any which ways. So hope you guys liked it, and if yes, like I said, yeah, be honest with the comment section if you like it. Yes, if you don't, Just be honest in the comment section. All right. Okay, then stay safe, stay healthy, and do like, share, and comment, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for being with me. Thank you.